Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare fluffy, tender and absolutely delicious homemade thick cookies from scratch. So get prepared for an energetic morning and start your day with the breakfast for champions. In the face. So what you will need to make pancakes for up to 8 guests is 1,5 cups of all-purpose flour. French word of the day. The French word of the day is farine for flour. Flour, flour. It's pretty hard to say. Flour, farine. 3½ teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is an option and a personal choice. 1¼ cup of milk. An egg. And 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Add flour, baking powder on side, salt on the opposite side, and sugar to a mixing bowl. Make a well in the center and pour milk, melted butter and vanilla extract. Then break the egg on top of it. Mix with a spoon until smooth. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Cover the surface of the pan and use a paper tissue to sweep off the excess. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan, and after a couple of minutes it starts to brown and top will bubble. Gently flip it with a spatula and brown the other side as well. Voila! Eat it with a chunk of butter and a drizzle of maple syrup and knock yourself out! So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Then show your support and give us a thumb up. You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe, so you will do that down below. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot. Thank you very much for that. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!